Hook. Your sales team is leaving money on the table. Most leads die because nobody follows up. What if AI did it for you? 24/7. Point 1. Asterisk. AI follow-up tools like Clay or Apollo automatically send personalized emails to every lead based on their behavior. They segment, personalize, and send at optimal times without you lifting a finger. You're basically running a follow-up machine that never sleeps. Point 2. Asterisk. Traditional CRM automation costs $500 plus per month and requires constant manual setup. AI tools do the same work for under $100 and learn what works. That's a massive margin play if you're managing hundreds of leads monthly. Point 3. Asterisk. Here's the real win. Set it up once, then watch reply rates skyrocket. One client saw 40% more meetings just by automating their second and third touchpoints. The AI handles objections, timing, and personalization. Your team focuses on closing. CTA. Follow StackShift for more AI workflows that replace expensive software and put money back in your pocket.